Welcome to GB Automobile 237, your channel dedicated to the automotive world, where we explore current topics, innovations, and challenges shaping the industry. Today, we will discuss a major topic: the reasons behind Michelin's decision to close several of its factories. Behind this decision lie complex economic, social, and industrial challenges, which we will unpack to better understand this turning point in the history of the famous tire manufacturer. Michelin, a flagship French company with over 130 years of existence, recently decided to close some of its factories worldwide, a choice that may seem surprising for such a renowned company. However, several strategic reasons explain this decision. First of all, global economic pressure plays a key role. Faced with fierce competition, particularly from Asian manufacturers who produce tires at lower costs, Michelin has had to adapt to an unprecedented price war. These Asian manufacturers, thanks to reduced labor costs and significant economies of scale, dominate the tire market, forcing Michelin to revise its operations to remain competitive. Secondly, changing consumer trends also have an impact. Modern consumers increasingly favor budget tires, while the premium segment, where Michelin excels, has seen lower demand. This decline in demand has led to underutilization of certain factories, making them less profitable to operate. Moreover, the automotive market is undergoing a major transformation with the rise of electric vehicles and innovations in sustainable mobility. These shifts require massive investments in research and development for new products adapted to these evolutions. To stay at the forefront, Michelin prefers to allocate its resources to innovations rather than to infrastructure deemed obsolete or non-strategic. Another reason is the need to reduce production costs. Factories located in regions with high labor and energy costs have been particularly affected. By closing these sites, Michelin aims to optimize its resources by concentrating production in strategic zones, offering better economic opportunities. Keep in mind that today it's Cholet, but tomorrow it could be you or other factories. It has already happened in Compiègne. It could happen elsewhere, such as Clermont. So, see you on Wednesday, and thank you for coming. We will continue to dismantle exactly what we started, the false arguments and justifications from Michelin's management to explain the closures. Shutting down 2 factories in the United States is being imposed by shareholders. Meanwhile, the colleagues in Cholet are organizing themselves, rotating around the clock in front of the factory to express their refusal to be thrown out on the street. What Michelin is offering to the workers it wants to lay off is profoundly unworthy. No one can think they are safe from layoffs or immune to the pressures and blackmail from the company. This rationalization aligns with an international competitiveness strategy aimed at maintaining the group's overall profitability. Finally, the ecological transition is a decisive factor. Michelin has announced its goal of achieving carbon neutrality by 2050, an ambitious objective that requires a profound overhaul of its operations. Some factories, too old or too polluting, no longer met modern environmental standards, forcing the company to close them to focus on more sustainable and eco-responsible sites. In summary, Michelin's factory closures are explained by a mix of economic, competitive, technological, and ecological factors. These decisions, although unpopular, are part of a global strategy to strengthen the group's position in the face of tomorrow's challenges. If you'd like to learn more about the developments in the automotive sector and major players like Michelin, don't forget to subscribe to our GB Automobile 237 channel. Activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for following us, and see you soon for a new video.